Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions. In today's video, we're exploring another exciting automation technique.
Today we are going to explore how to automate a Windows application calculator. We'll learn how to interact with the calculator's user interface, perform calculations, and extract results using Automation Anywhere's powerful feature. Before we start automating, let's take a closer look at the calculator's user interface. We'll identify the buttons, text fields, and other elements that we'll need to interact with. So let me launch the calculator. Let me press the Windows key plus R, and here I will write CALC and I will press enter. So it will launch the Windows application, and here you can see our calculator. And this calculator application is available in the system32 folder. You can check the path. You can see this calc.exe file. This is the calculator file. And then I will go to the control room, and here I will take one action, which is open program action of the application package. And here we need to give the location of the program file. The program file means the location of the calculator file, exe file. Like when we open a website, we give the URL of that website. Similarly, here we need to give the path of the exe file. And starting path and parameters both are optional. So let it be blank. And we will give the path of the calculator so that we can launch it. And once we launch the application, we will start automating this. Let me run the board. And here we go. We can see it has launched the calculator application successfully. So now we will automate the user interface, or we will identify the elements which we need for our board. So I will click on recorder button, and once we click on it, then the recording will get start, and we can see this universal recorder on the right hand side. So let me capture all the buttons of digits from 1 to 9. And let's finish the recording. And you can see we have captured all the buttons, and when we run the board, it will press all the keys from 1 to 9. Let me run the board. And here we can see it is pressing all the keys. Change the order of the keys or the actions. Now it will press the keys in a different order, not in the ascending order. Here we go. Let me run the board. And now it is pressing the keys in a different order: 8, 2, 9, 3, 1, 7, 4, 6, 5. Because we have given the keys in this order only. You can see 8, 2, 9, 3, 1, 7, 4. So now let me write some code. Let me write some logic to use to do the addition of two numbers.
The next day.
So I have written to this code. You can see in line number 2, we have taken a string split action, and in this action I have given us a string which is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have separated all the digits by a blank space so that we can split the digits, and then we will get each digit in a list. Means each item of the list will contain only one digit. And similarly, we are doing same in the next action or the next line, which is line number 3. We have taken another number, and again we are splitting that this number by blank space, and we are getting the splitted string in the number 2 list. So first of all, we will use a loop stage to traverse over the items of the loop number 1, and here I have given this list, and we are going to save the current value to the sample string, and we will check whether the sample string is equals to 1. So if it is equal to 1, we will press the button for the 1. Means the button which will press the key 1. So it will press the 2 in the calculator, and if the sample string is 3, it will press the 3 in the calculator, and so on. Similarly, we are using for number 2 list also, and after pressing the first number, we are pressing the plus key in the calculator, because we are going to do the addition. So we will press the first number, then we'll press the plus key, and after that we are performing the same loop for the number 2 also, then so that it can press the digits of the number 2 list, and at the end we are pressing enter. So let me run the board and